Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tabi'un. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will present about my segment. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Melissa Alivia with NPM 224111006. And yeah, let's watch my video. Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will present the material of behavioral theories in accounting. The slide 1, the point of definition of behavioral accounting. Behavioral accounting is a branch of accounting that studies the relationship between human behavior and accounting system. It integrates principles of psychology to understand how individual and group behavior affect accounting decisions, as well as how accounting system affect those behaviors. And next slide. Point of the importance of behavioral accounting. Point 1, understanding the influence of human behavior. Example, if financial statements are presented in a way that is too complex, employers may feel confused and less motivated to use the information in decision making. Point 2, improving the effectiveness of decisions making. Example, using appropriate framing techniques can improve managers' understanding and engagement in the decision making process. Point 3, improving organizational productivity. Example, companies that implement performance-based incentive often see an increase in productivity because employees feel more valued. Next point, overcoming resistance to change. Example, effective training and communications about the benefit of the new system can reduce concern and increase adoption. And the last point, increase employee job satisfaction. Example is providing regular feedback and involving employees in goal setting can increase overall job satisfaction. Okay, the next slide. The point of important aspect of behavioral accounting. According to Schiff and Lewin, 1974. Theory of the firm and managerial behavioral focus on motivation, problem-solving characteristic, and influence on performance. Then, budgeting and planning. Interacting between organizational goals and individual behavior in the planning process. Next point, decision making. A cognitive process influenced by psychological and social factors. Next point, control. The influence of internal controls on individual behavior in the organizations. And the last point, financial reporting, how the presentation of information affect the perception and action of report user. Okay, next slide. Key theories. Mental accounting subjective categorization of money for a specific purpose influencing financial decisions. Point 2. Escalation of commitment. The tendency to continue investing in a project that is detrimental due to previous investment. Third point, framing effect. The way information is presented that influence how people make decisions. And last point, agency theory. The relationship between owners, principals, and managers or agents, and the conflict of interest the may arise. Next point about influence of accounting information. Accounting information as a basic for decision making. Complex presentation can result in error in decision. Individual motivation. Influenced by incentive play an important role in accounting behavior. Next slide about basic principles. Point 1. Decision making. Understanding cognitive bias and heuristic in accounting decisions. Next, motivation. Motivational factors such as financial incentive and social norms influence accounting behavior. Next, social influence. Group dynamic and organizational culture influence accounting action. Next slide. Of practical implications. Point 1. Benefit of behavioral theory in accounting. 2. Minimize bias in financial decision making. 3. Develop more ethical and effective policies. 4. Improve the quality of financial reporting through a behavior-based approach. Next slide, case study. Example of behavioral accounting application. Company ABC use financial and non-financial based performance evaluation to increase employee motivation. As a result, productivity increased compared to company DEF, which only focus on financial measures. And the last slide about conclusion. Behavioral accounting provides deep insight into how human behavior affect accounting system, and by understanding behavioral theories, organization can improve the effectiveness, ethic, and quality of accounting decisions. Well guys, that was a little explanation regarding the material I have conveyed. I hope it can be understood well and is useful for all of us. More or less, I apologize for ending. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.